Hello, bonjour. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll learn the French alphabet and pronunciation basics. Mastering these fundamentals is a great first step toward reading and speaking French with confidence. Let's get started. The French alphabet uses the exact same 26 letters as English, but we pronounce them differently. Let's go through them together. Repeat each letter after me. A, B, bay, C, say, D, day, E, F, G, J, soft J sound, like the middle of measure, H, osh, I, E, J, G, soft J sound, K, ka, L, M, N, O, P, pay, Q. Make your lips tight and round. R, air, gently made in the back of the throat. S, T, tay. U, shape your lips to say oo, but try to make an E sound instead. V, vey. W, double V, literally double V. X, eeks. Y, Y. Z, Z. Now, let's look at two specific sounds that are unique to French, the French R and nasal vowels. The French R is voiced in the throat, not with the tongue. It feels similar to clearing your throat gently. Example: red. French: rouge, rouge. Let's try this together. Repeat after me 3 times. Rouge, rouge, rouge. The nasal vowel AN or EN. To make a nasal sound, let the air pass through both your mouth and your nose. The N at the end of the word is not fully pronounced. Example: wind. French: vent, vent. Let's practice this soft nasal sound. Repeat after me 3 times. Vent, vent, vent. Let's spell a simple word using our new French alphabet. The word is chef. C-H-E-F. C is say. H is osh. E is O. F is F. Try saying it out loud. Say, osh, O, F. Now it's your turn. I want you to try spelling your first name using the French phonetic spelling we practiced today. Write your French name spelling in the comments below, and I will check them out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep practicing your pronunciation, and I will see you in the next lesson. Au revoir!